right, so let's have a look at a few more examples on factorizing quadratic equations. So let's say we've got 6x squared plus x take 2. And I want to factorize this. So first of all, again, what we learned in the last video, find the AC. So that's 6 into negative 2, which is negative 12, right? So that is our AC. And our B is the 1. So that is 1. So what do we know? We know that we need to find out the factors that get to 12. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. However, only 2 of those numbers will actually multiply and add to 1. So just by looking at this, we know that we're going to have to do something to do with 3 and 4. So negative 4 times 3 gives us negative 12. However, negative 4 plus 3 does not give us 1. It gives us negative 1. So let's try the opposite. Let's try negative 3 and 4. So negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. That's good. Negative 3 plus 4 is 1. Excellent. So that's 2 conditions that have been met. So now let's rewrite this term. So that's 6x squared minus 3x plus 4x take 2. And now we'll have to group these. So we group these two together and we group these two together. Now, over here, we can factorize this further. We know that 3 and x would go into both sides. So that's 3x goes into 6x squared by having 2x and minus 1 over here. And over here, the common factor is 2. So that is 2 goes into 2x to give 4x, take 1, right? So we know that 2x take 1 is common to both sides. So we've got 2x take 1 into 3x plus 2. So that's really how we factorize that equation. And one way to check this is that after we factorize it, if we actually expand it, we should get back to this equation. So let's try that. Let's expand this to make sure we've done this correctly. So 2x into 3x is 6x squared plus 2x into 2, which is 4x, minus 3 into minus 1 into 3x. So minus 1 into 3x, which is minus 3x, and minus 2. So simplifying that, we get 6x squared plus x take 2. And we're back at it. So that means we have done this correctly. Now let's move on to another example. So let's say we've got something like 8x squared take 2x minus 15. So straight away, once again, we find the AC. So AC is 8 into 15, right? Which is 120. And the B is the negative 2. Right, so two numbers that multiply to 120 and add to 2. Right, so once again, let's start listing some factors. 1 goes into 120, so does 2, so does 4, so does 6, so does 10, so does 12. Let's stop there because I think I might already know where we're going to get at here. So I think 12 and 10 are the numbers that might be helping us. So we know that 12 times 10 goes into 120. However, 12 plus 10 does not add to negative 2. So if we do negative 12 times 10, well, that does give negative 120 because once again, we are looking to get negative 120 because there's a negative sign. Negative 12 plus 10 is -2. So that meets both of our requirements. So we will now write this as 8x squared minus 12x plus 10x take 15. And then we will group them. So group this side and group this side. So what is common to both sides? Well, we know that we can get 4x. That will give us 2x minus 3. And on this side, we have 5, which will go 2x take 3 as well. So now we've got 2x take 3 as common. So we've got 2x take 3 on the outside times 4x plus 5. And that's how we factorize it. So let's say we want to check it again. So expand what we've just factored. So that would be 8x squared plus 10x minus 12x minus 15, which gives us 8x squared minus 2x take 15. So we've done this correctly. And that's all for now, and I'll see you in the next video.